The Mammotion YUKA Mini 700H Mower is a compact robotic model that comfortably handles small lawns up to roughly 1/3 of an acre without the hassle of boundary wires. Its combination of camera-based scene recognition and satellite-style positioning lets it map the yard quickly, follow edges accurately, and stay out of flowerbeds and hardscape areas. In use, the mower copes well with steep ground, manages modest bumps and curbs, and offers a floating cutting disc with adjustable height that leaves grass looking very even. Through the Mammotion application, you can divide the property into many separate work areas, set keep-out regions, choose mowing patterns, and let the mower return to its base and resume on its own. Built-in tracking, ownership verification, and constant status updates make it difficult to walk off with the mower and give peace of mind when it is working unattended. The relatively lightweight body, strong water resistance rating, and around-the-clock support from the manufacturer make long-term upkeep straightforward for most homeowners.